are we gonna hurt someone again? I mean, we get some random people here and there, but when are we gonna attack a community? Look, I get it. We're all wanting action, but look, we have to think strategical, right? Let's say people happen to, I don't know, team up with Woody, some other bad people. There's a lot less of us than there are of them. So we need to let Freddy's group and their group fight, because eventually Woody's group would become an enemy, and Freddy's group has always been an enemy. So we can't do anything yet. Is this really what we are, though, boss? Excuse me? Well, I just mean, like, we don't do anything. Oh, but we do. I don't know about you, but we do. I don't really either. I haven't done anything in a while. Well, me, Twisted Freddy, and Golden Freddy, we do things. Yeah, but when Twisted Freddy went out there, he lost an eye and got shot. Weren't you just the one talking about how we don't do anything anymore? Because we're too scared? Yeah, you feel safe with the rest of the group, but I need to think about the whole group in general. You are always watching Gold. And apparently you're always watching me. Back off. Okay.
We have to be getting close, right?
Yeah, it should be right there. It's not. Oh god, did something happen? I think so. I'm sorry. Should have stayed. Spring trap. I knew them for over 5 years, man. God. I know. Well, I didn't, but it's hard. I get it. But there's nothing you can do about this, Springtrap. It's not your fault, and you couldn't have prevented it. All that would happen is you would have died in there. But maybe now that you're alive, we can go get the people who did this. You'd want that, right? Yeah, I would. Who do you think did this? Well, with how much destruction it is, I'd have to say the Twisted Ones. It was this big... It was open, but it was this big area. There's just nothing. It's all crumpled. How did even the Twisted Ones manage that? The Twisted Ones manage a lot of things. He's right. So what now? Like I said, we're gonna go back, and we're gonna build. Freddy? Everyone, get the weapons you have, because we're going there to end this. Going where? To where Woody is. We know where he is. We're gonna wait for him. Are you sure this is it's the one we're doing? It's the idea we're gonna do. Gather up your guns and let's go. Freddy, for this battle, you should have this. You're the leader after all. Thank you. Yeah, don't worry. We'll find some more. Here's the plan. There's that sniper tower that they have just outside of town. Orville, you're gonna take that before their guard shift starts. Next, we apply barricades. Then, people with the guns, they'll hide directly behind the barricades, but a little bit further back. And then just in front of us, we'll have people who are strong and can easily get a gun or pull someone away from the main road. 2 of you will stay back and wait. Once the war starts, you'll sneak in over the walls by parking an RV outside the back. Wait, where did you find an RV? I don't know, I got a tip last night from someone that there's a working RV Ladies, you're gonna be under the sniper tower. If something happens, you'll act like you're being held hostage. Except for Chica. They know your face by now. You'll just be more bait for them. Eventually, when you have guns, you can take them out yourselves, but before then, try and signal someone else for help. Wait, so where do I fit out? Where do I fit in all this? Well, for Knuckles and Isaac to be able to get in, we're gonna need to make a pretty big distraction, more than shooting. So once we provide cover fire and get their heads down, you're gonna move in, take out as many as you can. Wait a second. Oh no. Oh, what's going on, Matt? Huh? Oh, nothing. Enjoy your day. I'm just gonna go out the back gate. There's not a back gate. I'm gonna go. That was weird. Yeah, what's going on down there? I don't know. Oh, wait. I know that guy. His name is Buzz. By the tone of your voice, I'm gonna suspect that he isn't the best person. Nah, in fact, we should wait here. Okay. He had a good piece on him. Good. Shut up. My leg, you broke my... We said shut up. He sickens me. You're the one who killed my father. Alright, calm down. Is this really what you want to leave behind, Woody? Think about when your people finally realize in their last moments about how you really were. Oh, shut up. Okay? They see exactly how I really am. You people who are the ones who started this. I just don't believe that. I actually don't know the full story. But I would assume it starts with you killing one of them, or kidnapping one of them, or hurting one of them first. How dare you? Woody! It's okay. This guy's so ungrateful. Listen, right here. You might think I'm not bad and I wouldn't do something like this, or maybe you think I'm broken. I'm not broken. I didn't lose anything. I just had fun. And that's why nobody understands me. They're either bad because they've lost somebody, like Buzz, or they're bad because of the people they're around, Jesse. But don't you get it? I didn't lose anybody. I didn't hang around with weird people. This is all from my brain. I wanted fun, and I'm getting it. Well then, I hope you're happy when you're in hell. Hell. The made-up concept for people to not be bad. You see, but that never stopped me. Besides, if I go to hell, I've done Satan a few favors. I'm not gonna be tortured. I'll be his right-hand man. Wow, your ego is even bigger than I could have imagined. Maybe hell is a made-up concept. But is it really a risk you want to take? Yeah. You know, it kind of is. I mean, I won't see him for, another 80 years or so? I personally think it's going to be a lot sooner than that. Okay, quick, we gotta get dressed. Then we gotta get out of this house. Or at least I do. What?
Hey.
Was that a sniper shot? You know, your guy is in clear view of our guns.
Yeah, but he's a sniper. He'll take you out before anyone.
So why'd you move? You afraid I would find you?
No, we were dealing with scarier people than you.
Is it happening? Hold on.
Anyway, we have one of your people.
Okay, and we have one of yours.
We can trade person for person.
You came here for a trade? Oh. That has to be the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Whoever you have, keep him. I don't care. What?
I mean, this is how we do this peacefully.
You know what? Hold on a second. You're coming with me. See, I might not care about my people, but I know that you care about yours. He's bluffing. He has to be. Right? Of course they have Boris. We knew it. Guys, get rid of him. What? Move. I can't. Woody. Woody. No! What was that? There's nothing I could have done. I'm going for... We'll kill that sniper up there.
Like I said before, he'll shoot you first, and you don't want that. Not at all. Your ego's too high for that. You'd rather everyone die.
Woody, it's worth it. Let's just give them Boris and let them get out. No! There's no shot. They're tricking us, right? Woody, not everyone thinks the same as you. I think they'd leave. We just gotta give Boris to them. This is one of the reasons why I stopped giving you attention. I remember back then in the arena, you would always tell me what to do. You need to learn your place. Everyone! Get behind something! Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh, this way. Only the side of his head, and I'm not gonna risk that. I don't know if I can make that shot. Oh my God. This is crazy. Freddy, these people that you're killing, they're innocent. I brainwashed them.
Well, at least you have the balls to admit that, but it's either them or us. I'm sorry.
Just leave now. And I'll think about letting him go. How about that? Does that sound good?
I hear the fear in your voice. Just let him go. That's the only way out of here alive, for you anyway.
You can't. We have him. You don't even have anybody of ours anymore. We don't need one. This way. Oh God, oh God. Gosh. My leg, I hurt my leg. Okay, I know, but we gotta do this. We gotta open the gates. Here, I'll get this side, you get the other side. What? How? They're all looking. Just run for it. Okay. I told you to get behind cover. I'm sorry. Wait a second. Pull! The gates are open. Hey, traitor. I remember you gave me this bullet. I want to give it back. It's too kind. Oh shit! Come on! No! Attack! Freddy, we should charge. Everyone charge! Except for Orville. I don't know about that. Then move. Oh my god. Get him for me. Someone needs to teach that bastard a lesson. Thank you for all your help. Yeah. Now just let me rest. Go, go, go! Yeah! Spread out. For my father. Oh God! Good boy. Thanks. Yeah. Really spread out. Oh my god. Oh. Hey, old friend. You're not my friend. What? Do it. Finish the job. Homer, why? Why did you kill my family? All of them. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't. Shut up! You had to have. There's no one else. It was Woody. Don't listen to him, Homer. He's the one who stabbed me in the shoulder. I don't even know who the hell you are. That's the best one yet. Wow, you don't know who I am. That's really believable. Homer, I wouldn't do that. I was looking for you. Woody, Buzz, all of them, they're not who you think they are. I don't want to die like this. I've been trying to find you and I haven't given up hope for 5 years. I would never harm your family. Why would I do that? You gotta believe me. I can't. Homer, you gotta do it. I know. Please don't. It had to have been you. Oh my god. You made a mistake, Homer. No, I didn't. It was you. But guess what? I'm not gonna kill myself. I'm gonna fight for something better now. There is nothing better. And you won't last long. Oh my. Good. You weren't innocent. I'm sorry. I didn't know he'd turn out like this. It's too late for sorry. Come on. Damn it. Stay back! Woody, this is between me and you. Where's my people? Just tell me. Well, from the looks and sounds of it, I think they're all dead. This is why you don't fight us. There's no winning. You were in a coma for the last 5 years. We were surviving. This is your end, Woody. Just face it like a man. like I said. Well, we can take you as prisoner. You don't have to die like this. But you do. What? No! Ah! Ah! That is for every single person you've killed. Especially with me around. Why? Why was it always me and Mangle? He's dead. He's dead! No, Boris. Boris. You're so close. He's... Let's go. Come on, Homer. I'm gonna do right by you, family. I'm sorry for bringing you into this place. I got you killed. But I'm gonna try and make it better. They're back! No! Boris! What? Huh? We don't know what day it is. We don't know much of anything about the normal world anymore. But we do know that in war, people die. There's two sides of every story. And it's not always right and wrong. They could be both right or both wrong. Which were we? I don't know. All I do know is we've lost some great people. And we'll never forget them. We'll never... We don't want this to happen again. So it's time to get to work. For them. And what their memories represent. May they rest in peace.